Hello guys, I just arrived to Lakeport State Park, it's Michigan. Here's a nice campground, two campgrounds, south and north. I'll be here for a couple days. Here's a nice local beach on Lake Huron. So stick around and it might be very interesting video this time. If you want to protect your investment, buy window cover. If you like it, description below. All set, let's camping begin. Okay guys, let me check speed here. Why I wanna check my speed? Because I have my signal booster with me and I wanna check before and after. Oops, error. It's one even check, so no signal. Well, I can make phone calls, but no data. It's taking a long time to connect. Let's see if my signal booster will help me. Look what's going on. Error. Can't reach speed test. Check your internet connection and try again. Okay, let me hook up to my signal booster. Now I have 3 bars and let's check the speed. Holy moly! Actually, it's working. 11 megabytes per second download speed. You can see on the back of my truck antenna. I will show you a closer look after test done. So it's working, but problem is it's direct antenna. You need to find first tower, and antenna should point towards the tower. So I'm impressed. 12 megabytes download and 4 upload. It's enough to run my smart TV. Awesome. So let's check my system. This is my antenna. I'm back my truck. Here's a cable. They supply with 40-foot cable. And here is my signal booster. I believe this 2 works for Verizon and TNT. This one TNT and Verizon also. And Xfinity 1700, I'm not sure, but hey, I'm impressed, it's working. I think I paid like $150 for all. Finally, it's dinner time. Potatoes and shrimp and some salads, of course white wine. Potatoes first, shrimp last, because it's taking more time to fry potatoes. Shrimp needs just a couple of minutes fried. Now shrimp goes. Let's move my potatoes a little bit over. There's my shrimp. I think my dinner is ready. Let's see. Yeah. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. What do you say? Smells good. It should be taste good too. Cheers, my friends. So tomorrow will be very interesting day. Oh. Oh. Hot and tasty. Tomorrow should be a hot, sunny day. I will take you to local beach. Beautiful day at Lakeport State Park, Lake Huron. Let's swim.